Welcome. This video will guide you through receiving Bitcoin, BTC, on Gemini, a US-based cryptocurrency exchange. We'll cover how to generate a deposit address, understand network fees, and ensure your BTC arrives safely. Gemini is a secure platform known for its compliance with regulations like KYC AML, requiring identity verification for all deposits. You'll use Gemini's interface to generate your unique BTC deposit address. First, you need a verified Gemini account. This involves providing identification, like a government ID and proof of address, to comply with anti-money laundering AML rules. This verification is essential to access the deposit features. Once your account is verified, you can proceed to the next step. To send Bitcoin from your external wallet, first open your preferred wallet application, such as Electrum or Coinbase Wallet. Next, locate the Send or Transfer section in your wallet and paste the Bitcoin deposit address that you generated from Gemini. This ensures the funds go directly to your Gemini account. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to transfer. Make sure you have sufficient balance in your wallet and account for any network fees that will be required. Before proceeding, carefully double-check the deposit address you pasted. Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, so any error could result in permanent loss of funds. Once everything is verified, initiate the transfer from your external wallet. The transaction will be broadcast to the Bitcoin network for processing. Bitcoin transactions require network fees to be processed on the blockchain. These fees compensate miners for validating and securing transactions. These fees are essential for the Bitcoin network's security and operation. Without them, miners wouldn't have the incentive to process transactions. The fee amount depends on two main factors: the transaction size measured in virtual bytes, or V-bytes, and the current network congestion. Larger transactions and busier network times mean higher fees. During the deposit process on Gemini, you'll see real-time fee estimates. Remember, these fees are paid to the Bitcoin miners, not to Gemini. The platform simply shows you what to expect. Gemini itself does not charge fees for Bitcoin deposits, though they may have fees for other services like withdrawals. The network fees you're seeing are separate and go to the blockchain miners. For smaller transactions, or if you prefer lower fees, consider using the Lightning Network. Gemini offers Lightning Network integration for faster, cheaper transfers. Lightning Network fees are significantly lower, often under 1 cent USD, making it perfect for microtransactions. However, you need a Lightning Network-compatible wallet to use this option. This is ideal for microtransactions, where speed and low costs are essential. After sending Bitcoin to your Gemini account, you'll need to wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. Confirmation times vary depending on the network you use. Confirmation times ensure the security and immutability of your Bitcoin transaction. You can monitor the status of your deposit directly within your Gemini account. Gemini doesn't charge internal fees for BTC deposits, but you may encounter withdrawal fees around 0.001 BTC or trading fees if you convert or trade your BTC. For security, as of 2026, Gemini mandates two-factor authentication for all BTC deposits. This adds an extra layer of protection beyond just your password. Gemini also uses advanced wallet recovery options and multi-signature security protocols to enhance protection against unauthorized access. Remember to always double-check your deposit address before sending funds, and practice good security habits like using strong passwords and keeping your recovery phrases safe.